This is the last part of our YouTube feed series. If you haven't seen the first two parts, we'll leave the links in the description below. Now for the style part. WP Social Ninja lets you customize everything. You can customize almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. You will find all the options once you toggle this to enable. And now you can edit how the elements of header, title, statistics, description, and item box are gonna look. We start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color and typography of all these elements. You can literally pick any color for your text, so definitely we're going for our brand's accent colors here. Now we want to change their typography, change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else until it looks just right. Well, we don't want to stop there. Next, we will change how the buttons and boxes are gonna look. We will change the border type, shift the padding, and change text color. Perfect. Let's move on to the title and do the same. You can also change the text color and typography of the statistics and description option. Last but not the least, the item box. Change the background color, typography, padding and border type for a brand new look. There, perfect. If you're wondering what these icons do, they'll let you switch within different devices so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. Now let's save your settings and check out your website. And you should have something like this. If you still need help with something, simply comment down below. We like to help. Keep enjoying our products and subscribe to WPManageNinja.